Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Google Pay and signing in with the account tied to your cards or bank. Tap the app icon, wait for the home screen to load, and make sure the app is updated. Outdated versions hide features. Once signed in, confirm the primary payment method displays at top. If you use multiple accounts, switch to the one holding the balance. This ensures you're checking the right wallet so numbers match your bank and transaction history. Now locate the balance by tapping the Wallet or Payments tab. That's where cards and linked accounts appear. You'll see a Google Pay balance entry or a linked bank account. Tap it to open detailed info. Once inside, review available balance, pending holds, and recent transactions listed below. Make sure to refresh the screen if data seems old. Pull down to refresh. Checking both available and pending helps you understand. Finish by confirming the shown amount matches your expectation. If numbers seem off, pull down to refresh or sign out and back in to force a sync. Once done, compare the Google Pay entry to your bank app for pending holds or processing delays that explain differences. If the mismatch persists, take a screenshot and contact Google Pay support. Mention transaction ID and timestamps. A quick restart or reconnect usually resolves syncing. Otherwise, support will trace payments and correct balances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.